For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to change entity account in Binance. Before we proceed, note that there is no way for you to directly change your Binance entity account to personal account. But what you can do is to disable your Binance entity account, then create a new one, which it will be now a personal account. To disable your Binance account, hop into the app and go to your profile. Then next, click the security option, then tap Manage Account, and in here, tap the Disable Account. After that, read the notes carefully and tap the Disable Account. Then tap OK on the confirmation pop-up, and you're good to go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.